Hi, here is Ivona Wilson again, and if you are watching me, I assume that you are someone involved in initiating, developing, or managing complex projects such as those in the resource sector. For example, you might be someone working in the oil and gas, renewables, mining, nuclear energy, or even government and construction. And if you are looking for ways to increase the success rate of your projects, you are in the right place. Look, in the previous video, I talked about my background and I gave you an overview of the stage gate process. We also talked about what each phase is about and what gates are for. In the second video, I talked about how to scale the stage gate process and how to make it more agile. And in this video, I want to introduce you to my favorite part of the stage gate process, which is the opportunity framing workshop. So let's get it started. Meet Tony. He's the opportunity manager. Tony is excited as he needs to turn a new opportunity into a profitable project. But how do you do this? He's not entirely sure, but with his can-do attitude, him and his team just want to jump with both feet into this to get it done as quickly as possible. Does it sound familiar? Jumping to conclusions quickly without understanding what we're trying to achieve and why? Making decisions based on assumptions, misalignment between the team and decision makers, team feeling overwhelmed, or perhaps falling into a groupthink trap. Did you know that on average 70% of projects fail? Despite the obvious connection, why we frequently do not plan properly? There were a number of reasons for this. Pressure to deliver results fast, low on importance, limited resources, we want to just do it and keep it simple mindset. What if I tell you that planning doesn't need to be hard work? Let's say you're kicking off your idea. You want to build a new house, or move to Spain, or expand a new industrial facility, or even implement a new technology across all of your assets. Just imagine, people have an open mind, no preconceived solution, understanding, alignment, engagement, no need to second back. Opportunity Framing Workshop is specifically designed to achieve this. So what is an opportunity framing workshop? Opportunity framing workshops are used for early opportunity planning. We bring key decision makers, the team, and stakeholders together in an open and safe space to understand, explore, and align upon what is in the frame and what is not. Those workshops are highly collaborative and result in teams and key stakeholders having clarity and alignment around these questions. What are we working on and why? Does this type of work make sense for us? What is the end goal? What issues do we need to consider and address? What options do we have? How will we decide among these? And what work needs to be done? So where to start? Meet Ivona from Wilson Biz Consulting. She can help you to develop an opportunity framing roadmap that is aligned with your business, deliverables, activities, and work scalable to your opportunity and stakeholders alignment right from the start. As a master facilitator and strategist with over 15 years of experiences in the resource industry, she will help you to leverage on your most productive asset, that is your people, so that you can achieve outstanding results. So, how to make this workshop a success? Invite the right kind of people representing different perspectives, knowledge, and interests. Build an open and safe space for conversations. Timing, it must happen at the start of the first phase and second phase in the project life cycle, and it must be facilitated by someone who has no vested interest in the success of the opportunity and knows the process well, and it must be followed with actions. No matter how good the team or how efficient the methodology, if we're not solving the right problem, the project fails.